Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gibbon Travelog. I'm Gilbert, and today we are going to talk about making mobile payments in Thailand. If you're planning a trip from Singapore to Thailand and wondering how to make easy mobile payments there, then this video is for you. Okay, let's get started! Thailand has a well-established QR code payment system. You will find more than 8 million QR code acceptance points from street vendors to big retail stores and transportation options like the BTS SkyTrain. This system is simple, secure, and perfect for travelers. The good news is that if you're coming from Singapore, you won't need to have a Thai bank account to use it. The OCBC Bank and DBS PayLah app let you make payments in Thai baht seamlessly. What this means is that you won't need to go to the money changer and risk either changing too much or too little Thai baht. If you're using PayLah from DBS, make sure it is updated. Once you are set, open the app and you'll see two options: log in and scan. When you're ready to make a payment, you just need to tap on Scan. Alternatively, you can also log in and tap on Scan, which is the second icon on the pink menu to scan the Thai PromptPay QR code. There are very broadly two types of Thai PromptPay QR code used by merchants in Thailand. First is a static QR code, and the second type is a system-generated QR code. For the static QR code, the app will automatically recognize that you are scanning a Thai PromptPay QR code and prompt you to enter the amount in Thai baht. Here I enter 12 Thai baht, and immediately you can see that the Singapore dollars equivalent, which in this case 49 cents. Tap Next. The exchange rate, debiting amount, and the source of funds will be displayed. If you are happy with the exchange rate, you can tap Let's Go, and you have a successful payment transaction. Here is an example of a Thai QR code that is generated by the cashier's point of sale or POS system, such as in the supermarket. You will just need to open the app, log in, tap on Scan, and the app will display the amount of the item that is already entered into the POS system. Immediately, the exchange rate, debiting amount, and the source of funds will be displayed. If you're happy with the exchange rate, you can tap Let's Go and have a successful payment transaction. I just have to use my PayLah. Tap on to scan. I've got to put in my password. I will pay by PromptPay.
Do you have membership?
No membership. Then she will give me a QR code to scan, which is over here. Okay, and I just have to scan the QR code. $12. Okay. Hey. Okay. Done. If you do not have a DBS account and the PayLah app, but use the OCBC Bank app, it will be a similar experience as well. Once again, ensure that you have downloaded and installed the latest version of the app. When you open the app, you can either choose to tap on the Scan and Pay icon or log into OCBC Singapore button at the bottom. I will tap on Log in to OCBC Singapore and tap on Scan and Pay to scan the Thai PromptPay QR code. Here you'll be able to see the Thai PromptPay logo as part of the supported QR code right at the bottom. Now all you need to do is to simply scan the Thai PromptPay QR code for the transaction to be completed. For OCBC, if the purchase amount exceeds 200 Sing dollars, further verification using the digital or hard token will be required. Something to note here, there is a fixed limit of $1,000 per day for PromptPay QR code payment and your PromptPay money transfer transactions. In our last trip to Bangkok, one of the most useful benefits of paying by the Thai PromptPay QR code is purchasing a BTS ticket. When you're at a BTS station and need to buy a ticket for your train ride at a ticket kiosk, coins will be needed. If you do not have the necessary coins, you will have to queue up at the counter to exchange your notes for coins, and that can be inconvenient, especially during the peak hours. With mobile payments, this problem goes away. Now, let's try using the PayLah app to purchase a BTS train ticket. At the ticket kiosk, you will just need to do the usual selection of the number of tickets and the destination station. You will see a QR code on the screen. This is the Line Pay QR code, so that's not the right one.
No, this is Rapid Line Pay.
Instead, tap on the Thai QR payment logo on the right and the right QR code will be generated. Scan the QR code and confirm the transaction. Once it is successful, the right number of BTS tickets will be dispensed from the kiosk. And that's it, your payment goes through and you'll be ready to explore Bangkok on the BTS with ease. So, what's the FX like? With PayLah, you'll be able to look at each of the transactions that you have made in Thailand. Just open the app and tap on History. You can tap on the transaction to see the details. On this date, the FX was 1 Thai baht equals to 0.040449 Sing dollars. I also used my credit card for transactions on the same day, and the FX was 1 Thai baht equals to 0.040523. So actually they are quite comparable. Now, here's something really important to watch out for. While QR codes make payments easy, not all Thai QR codes work with Singaporean apps. Many street vendors, taxi drivers and smaller merchants may use their personal bank account QR codes rather than business or corporate accounts. For locals, this works fine as payments, but for foreigners using OCBC or PayLah, they are recognized as cross-border remittances instead of payments, and your transaction will be blocked. This can be frustrating, and it happens more often than you think. So, a tip for you, always have some Thai baht just in case you run into this issue. It will save you the hassle when QR payment isn't possible. Okay, so that's how you can make mobile payments in Thailand using your OCBC or PayLah apps from Singapore. It is fast, safe and super convenient for travelers. Just remember to watch out for those personal QR codes and bring some cash as backup. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to Gilbert Travelog. Until our next video, we will see you again. Bye!